What if I told you humanoid robots are about to change the world? And they're not here to replace you? Humanoid robots are no longer just science fiction. They're stepping into warehouses, factories, and even retail spaces, not to take jobs, but to work alongside humans, filling automation gaps that traditional robots can't. Unlike wheeled robots that need perfect floors or robotic arms fixed in place, humanoids can walk, climb steps, and even grip objects with surprising precision. Companies like Agility Robotics, Tesla, and Figure AI are pushing the limits, creating robots that adapt and learn in real time. And here's the big shift. These robots are becoming affordable. Thanks to the Robot as a Service, RaaS model, businesses can rent them for as little as $4,000 a month, a fraction of what it costs to hire and train new workers. But the real breakthrough? Dexterous hands. Until now, robots struggled with fine motor skills. That's changing fast with AI-driven gripping technology improving by the day. Soon, humanoids will handle everything from sorting packages to assembling products, just like a human worker. Yet, despite their rapid progress, humanoids still have limitations. They can't match human creativity, problem-solving, or adaptability. Instead, they'll work with us, handling repetitive, physically demanding tasks while humans focus on what we do best: thinking, creating, and innovating.